Hello and welcome to the channel. Do you have a Windows operating systems computer? Is your computer a Windows operating system? Is your computer's operating system Windows? Then sit back and I will show you how to make use of your computer without a physical keyboard. It all depends on your mood and equally the type of task you want to perform on your computer. If the activity is of a minimal task, you can try the inbuilt. If the physical keyboard is faulty, you can try the inbuilt keyboard. So without wasting much of your time, let me show you how you can make use of your computer without a physical keyboard. So what you have to do is to go to this start logo here, or you can call it Windows logo, Microsoft Windows logo. Just go click on it and proceed to settings here. Click on settings. That will take you to this settings window. Then what you have to do here is so once you are here, go for ease of access. Let's click on that. It will take you to this place. Then go scroll down and look for keyboard. Click on keyboard and go for this particular place. Use your device without a physical keyboard. What you have to do here is to just activate it. Click to toggle to switch on. You can see the inbuilt keyboard appear automatically. What you have to do, let me just close this. Now let's start making use of it. Let's go for YouTube. Then enter. You can see that's it. Very simple, very easy. So if your physical keyboard is faulty, I have no idea if it is gonna affect the inbuilt one, because I have never tried that. But let's assume that it doesn't affect the inbuilt keyboard, when the physical one is faulty, you can easily make use of the inbuilt keyboard on your computer. This is specifically for Windows operating systems. I don't have Mac. I'm just talking about Windows operating systems. This is how, or the process that I just showed you is how to do what? How to get this inbuilt keyboard pop out. There is a shortcut to this. You don't have to go through, going through the start icon or start logo, then going through settings and ease of access. There is the shortcut to this. You don't have to go through this. Just with the shortcut, the keyboard will pop out instantly. So how do we do that? Have a look. I will close it and then I will show you how to do that, the shortcut, and then close that and activate that with the shortcut. So what you have to do is to hold down the control key. Here is the control key, CTRL, and the Windows logo. Hold down the control key, then Windows logo all together, and again the O, not 0, the O here. Hold down 3 of them, and this keyboard will pop out automatically. So let me go close it and hold down the 3 keys that I just showed you. Control key, Windows logo, and then O. Here we go. So this is how to make use inbuilt keyboard on your computer. If your physical one is faulty, I have no idea if it's going to affect the inbuilt one, but if you want to make use of the inbuilt keyboard, this is how to do it. I have a lot of videos a lot of videos to upload, videos related to technology, a lot of them. So if you want to get more videos from me or from my channel, kindly below this screen you will see that red subscribe button. Click on it, subscribe to the channel, and equally beside that you will see that notification bell. Just click on it and click on all so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be notified to come check it out. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. Thank you and God bless.